This is a 2008 Ford Mustang. All of the following features are included: a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a CD player, a rear spoiler, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, traction control, a multi-function display, and this vehicle has less than 41,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Joe Machens Capital City Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 807 Southwest Boulevard in Jefferson City.